Hello traders, Gary Wagner here just after 10:30 in Honolulu, 4:30 in New York. It is Tuesday, Super Tuesday in fact, April 26th, 2016, and this is the Daily Report for gold and silver. We do have a moderate upside surge in the precious metals markets with the entire complex trading moderately higher across the board. We have gold currently trading at 1244.90, call it 1245, putting it up about $5 on the day. Low today, 1232. High today, 1246.50. Silver also tracking higher today, above $17 again, 17.12, up about 15 cents on the day. The high, 17.15, so we're 3 cents off of the high, and the low, 16.84 on the day. FOMC meeting kicks off today. It will conclude tomorrow and will conclude tomorrow with a statement. So all eyes at this point are absolutely on the Fed. Now, we are looking at gold trading up about $5 on the day. As I said, 1245, 1245.10. And when we look at this net change of about $5, you can account a little bit more than half of that to a weakening U.S. dollar. So our net change currently up 570. 210 of that is normal trading. 360 of that is due to a weakening dollar. Let's take a look at the chart that I have on the screen. That chart is a half-a-day standard candlestick chart in which we have absolutely attempted to identify resistance by really fixing on the previous two highs. Of course, we would need to adjust it for that, but I've left it as it is for right now. And then our support line, which is really fixed on these series of lows. And when we do that, what we find is that the trading that we have seen today as well as yesterday, and let's go ahead and kind of blow this up a little bit so you get a better idea of what I'm talking about. But when we take a look at the range that we have seen over the last couple of days and how that has really hit the tops and the bottoms of this compression triangle. Let me go in and draw these lines again, that you'll see even on today's trading activity. Now you'll get two candles for the day. So overseas trading last night, it was lower. It was trading off a couple of dollars. You can see that the low that came in here is going to be our low on the day, which is going to be 32 is right in here actually. So the low came in the second part of the session. I stand corrected. So you've got your low here at 32. And then, of course, we've got our high up here at 46, and we're currently trading 45. So you can see that this candle has absolutely covered the entire length of this compression triangle. And so I want to look at our daily charts in two different modes. One in a Japanese average format, and that's what we have up now. This is Japanese average, and then I will convert this into a candlestick chart because you'll see quite a difference. But here's what we're looking at. When we look at our Japanese average, because it is fixed upon the midpoint of the prior candle, what you're seeing is because we have had this market trade off of the recent highs, right above 1260 and begin to move down. This is that high right here. But because of that, it went red, smaller bodied red, and today we had a pivotal doji red, which is a signal of a potential reversal. And after having it in red, that would mean a potential reversal to the upside. And so traders, as you can see, I've gone ahead and converted the Japanese average to a standard candlestick chart, and you'll see it looks a little bit different. Let me go ahead and kind of fill in these blanks here. But as you can see, on the last couple of days, we have had up days, and you can also see the lows match the bottom of this trend line that is currently giving us support. I'm not convinced about the upper line, because we've broken out very substantially, came back down. But as you know, one of my reasons for putting a stop where we did, meaning below 22, is so that if in fact the market came in and wanted to test this lower support area, it could test it, and if it's going to break still to the upside, we would have a position in the market. So we are also long silver. We're currently long gold. We are long silver. We're long silver, I believe, at 1736. Our stop is below 1662. We want it to be below this particular level, which comes in terms of a retracement as a 61% retracement, and that's right here. The one thing that we can say is that over the last couple of days, I want to go ahead and uncompress this chart so you can see the daily candles. The one thing that you can absolutely see in this chart is that we had this period of consolidation. You had 4 straight days of markets that opened and closed roughly in the same area. Now today we certainly have seen it break above that price point, and my sense right now, my first target of course on this particular trade has to be 1760. My recommendation: maintain your current long position, maintain your current stop in gold, maintain your current long position in silver, maintain your current stop. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.